Morning children, as we have already seen the unit 3, the district collector of the third standard social, we have finished this lesson and now on choose also we are written. Now we are going to see about the true or false. District collectors are appointed through exams conducted by UPSC, that is true. Teacher gives order to make sure different policies reach people in the district. False. Chief Educational Officer takes care of the education department. True. Police officers are responsible for the government hospitals. False. Forest officer take care of the forest department. True. Now I'll write one by one. So note down in this, children. Say true or false. So already we have finished choose. Now we are going to see the true or false. It is district collectors are appointed through exams conducted by UPSC. District collectors are appointed. So they are appointed, district collectors are appointed through exams conducted by UPSC. Exams conducted by UPSC. Yes, that is true. The next one is teacher gives order. Teacher gives order to make sure different policies reach the people in the district. So that is also true. That is false. Then the third one, Chief Education Officer take care of the education department. Chief Education Officer, that is true. So only the education officer take care of the educational department. Take care of the educational department. This is true. Okay, then the fourth one, police officers are responsible for the government hospitals. That is false. Police officers are responsible. So they are not responsible for the government. Government hospitals. It is false. Then fifth one, forest officer take care of the forest department. Forest officer take care of the forest department, that is true. So this is the true or false. So copy it on your notebook, children. And now the next one is the question answer. Who is the administrative head of the district? District collector is the administrative head of the district. How are the district collectors selected? The district collectors are selected by the Union Public Service Commission. Name any 3 departments of the district. District medical, then district forest, then district educational. So this I'll write in the board. Who maintains the law and order in the district? Police maintains the law and order. And write about the health officer. So these are the question answers and this is the true or false as we have already said. So learn this. Now we will say the answer the following questions. So in this lesson, So learn what all we are written in the class of children. So note down everything. So answer the following. Third one. In this, answer the following. Who is the administrative head? Who is the administrative head of the district? Of the district. Who is the administrative head of the district? So the answer is district collector. District collector is the administrative head. Administrative head of the district. Then the second one, how were the district collectors selected? How were the district collectors selected? Answer is district collectors are selected by Union Public Service Commission. Okay, that is UPSC. The name any three departments of the district. So any three departments you can write. Name any three departments. Any three department. Departments of the district. That is, what are the departments we have seen? District, medical department, forest department and the educational department. So we can write like that. Medical department, then forest department, and educational department. So any three you can write. So I have written these three. Educational department. Okay. Then the fourth one. Who maintains law and order in the district? So who maintains? Everybody knows. The police maintains the law and order. Who maintains the law and order? Who maintains it? Policeman maintains law and order. Okay, then the next one is write about the health officer. So this is the Fifth one, write about the health officer. So this is the question. So we can write down, write about the health officer. Okay. So here in your book itself you are having page number 101. Okay. Health officers. Health officers are responsible for government hospitals in the district. So this is the first point. And the person in charge, advises on health and sanitation of the district. Okay, so these are the 2 points. So name the 5 questions are there. Who is the administrative head of the district? District collector is the administrative head of the district. How are the district collectors selected? The district collectors are selected by the Union Public Service Commission. Okay. They name any 3 departments of the district: medical department, forest department and educational department. Who maintains law and order? Policeman maintains law and order. Write about health officer. Health officers are responsible for government hospitals in the district. The person in charge advises on health and sanitation of the district. So these are the 5 questions and choose and everything. So here they given a project name, some of the departments functioning in your district. The same thing only. In page number 101 at the top, district medical officer, superintendent of police, district forest officer, chief educational officer, revenue divisional officer and other officers. So these are the officers take care of the administration by the district collector. Some of the other departments. Okay, this is the lesson. So learn the choose as well as the true or false and answer the following. So I'll go through this. Choose the correct answer. Dash administrative head of the district. District collector, judge and superintendent of police. So district collector is the answer. District collector as the administrative head of the districts. Dash are responsible for the government hospitals. Policeman, health officer and drivers. So what's the correct answer? Health officer are responsible for the government hospitals. Dash is maintained by the police department. Health, forest, law and order. So law and order is maintained by the police department. Dash ensures the proper functioning of educational department in a district. Forest officer, chief educational officer and health officer. So chief educational officer ensures the proper functioning of educational department in a district. Dash advises on sanitation of the district. Health officer, forest officer and revenue officer. So health officer only advises the sanitation of the district. Then true or false? District collectors are appointed through exams conducted by UPSA. That is true. Teacher gives order to make sure different policies reach people in the district. False. Chief educational officer takes care of the education department. True. Forest officer take care of the forest department. That is true. And here one true or false is here. District collector takes action during the natural disaster. This you can write in your book, page number 105. So in that, page number 105, write true or false they are given. District collector takes action during natural disaster. District collector takes actions during natural disaster. That is true. So natural disaster time only the collector will take the actions. True. The district collector does not supervise local bodies. District collector does not supervise local bodies. That is false. Then third one, the superintendent of police does not make sure. The superintendent of police does not make sure policy reaches the people. Answer is true. District collector works along with a different department. District collector does not work. Works along with different department for the smooth functioning. Smooth functioning of the district. That is true. Okay, so these are the 5 true or false in the page number 105. Okay, page number 105, some of the true or false is there. Okay, children. That is the superintendent of police. District collector only make sure. The superintendent of police does not make sure that policy reaches the people. True. Only the district collector only makes sure that the policy should reach the people. Okay. So these are the true or false. This also you can learn, children. So along with that true or false, you can learn this also. Page number 106 also true or false is there, and 105 is also true or false is there. So both the true or false you have to learn. So this lesson for the 3rd standard is over for the 2nd time. Thank you, children.